if you have been in a serious car accident, then you know that it can really turn your world completely upside down.
Absolutely. Well, Pacific West Injury Law here in Las Vegas can give you the straight facts on what to do the second you are involved in a car accident, whether it be a fender bender or a total collision.
Yeah.
Personal injury lawyer Chris Helmick joins us now. Welcome, Chris.
Thanks for having me.
Welcome
Thank
to
you.
Morning Blend.
Yeah.
Great to
Thank
have you.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
This is serious stuff. Why are there so many collisions here in Las Vegas?
What is the deal?
I don't know. I mean, it's pretty interesting. I don't really know the statistics on it, but there definitely. I mean, there's a lot of accidents here for sure.
Yeah.
So I don't really know the exact answer to that, but it's maybe the population's growing. Maybe that's what it is. I mean, who knows exactly? But there are a lot.
Yeah, my theory has always been we get so many people from out of town who are, you know, tourists legitimately coming in and exploring and seeing the sights, and they forget to watch the traffic.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden it's boom into the car next to you. I mean, there must have been 3 accidents on the way here to work to the stage studio this morning that I saw, and it's really crazy. What do you guys do exactly at Pacific West?
We help people. That's what it really boils down to. Somebody gets in a car accident, doesn't know what to do, doesn't know how to get access to treatment, things like that.
Really?
We are, we guide the client for everything, really. I mean, help them dealing with the insurance companies. That's one of the most difficult parts. You know, to do that on your own is it's tough. So we're here to help. That's what we do.
Chris, I try to keep my eyes open when I'm on the road because I know I'm not just looking out for myself, I'm watching what other people are doing. But accidents can happen, you know? And
Yeah.
do you have any advice on what to do the moment you get in an accident?
Yeah, it's always best to get the police there. You know, no matter what way you look at it. A lot of times in my experience, I've had people come in, and when the cops don't show up, and then you're just trying to deal with it just with the person by themselves, and stories change after you leave the scene. Oh yeah, no, I'll help you, and I'm at fault here, and things like that.
My dog was driving.
Yeah,
I wasn't even there.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Who knows? And then after the accident, things completely change up. So if you get a cop there, let them do their investigation, let them document everything. That's the best thing to do. And then get checked up. You know, get checked out by a urgent care or something like that after. Get seen by a doctor is definitely important.
I know you've heard the stories, but being in an accident can really change your life in that moment.
It can. I mean, it really does. It really turns people's life upside down. I mean, it just does. Everything changes. You don't have a car anymore. You're in pain. You're out of work. All types of things.
Because you've seen this, happen so many times, you've helped people through it. You have some experience on how people can get their life back to normal, and I know it's different for everybody, right?
Yeah, it is, and that's what we're here for. You know, that's what it really comes down to is trying to get a rental set up for you to be able to get to work. That's one of the biggest things in the very beginning, and just feeling better. You know, it's tough to go day by day when you start having neck pain or back pain just to do your daily life activities.
Yeah. Now you've got a billboard campaign running right now that has an educational component to it. Talk to me about that.
So there's a billboard on the I-15 near Sahara, and it's upside down. So it looks pretty odd. So people might drive by there and say, "What's going on here? Did the billboard company, they mess up? What happened here?" So it's just an interesting way to do different little spin on marketing. So obviously, like we were saying, when you get in a car accident, your life gets flipped upside down.
Yeah.
Just like one call to the billboard company, we could put that billboard right side up. Just like one call to us, we can help you turn your life right side up.
Nice. And speaking of calling you, I think some people are intimidated to reach out and contact an attorney because they don't understand what costs might be involved. They're maybe afraid of getting ripped off.
Yeah.
What do you want people to understand about how this works financially?
So that question comes up a lot too. So you don't have to pay us anything unless we actually get you money. So there's no upfront costs or anything like that, which is important to understand, because a lot of people do think that attorneys are expensive, you don't have to pay anything, how are you going to get help? But that's the good thing about personal injury attorneys and what I do. It's all in contingency fee. Means you don't have to pay us anything unless we actually get you money. So,
Gotcha. How do we reach out to you?
You can call us. That's the easiest way. 702-602-HURT. That's the phone number. It's 602-4878 is what HURT spells. And that you give us a call and we can help you.
So after the 911 call, you call HURT.
Man.
Yeah.
I tell you what, if you were really organized, you put it in your phone just in case.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
You just never know. But I do want to encourage people to be alert. I try to remember to always have the cell phone in the back seat. It's serious stuff. Hey, you're on Rainbow, and you're just south of the 215, aren't you?
Yeah.
Your
Rainbow
offices?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's us right there.
Terrific. Pacific Injury Law,
Nice to
located,
meet you.
just as she said, on South Rainbow, just south of the 215. Be there or be square. Visit their website at pacificwestinjurylaw.com. Their phone number also on your screen. Chris, thanks for being with us.
Yeah. Thanks
Thank
for having
you so
me
much.
again.
I haven't heard that saying in a while.